Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP email template configuration tutorial. We're going to cover in this tutorial how to configure your own email templates and signatures. So what we can do is just punch in email template to the search menu and pull up the module. So whenever you send an email from the XoroERP system, in particular when you send an email of an attachment, so of a sales order, of a PO, of a vendor credit or a credit memo or anything of that matter, it's going to the system's automatically going to fetch a default email, an email template for you. And then from there you can make edits in your email and then send it to the recipient. But if you want to change your default email template, this is where you're going to do it. So suppose you're a sales rep and you send out all your customers' sales order emails every day. So you want to edit the template that you get for your sales order email. So what you want to do is go to this module right here, and you're going to want to select sales order for select template. There's a bunch of entities depending on what access you have. And so just select sales order, and you can change the default email subject here. So what is actually going to show for the user, for the customer rather, it's going to show sales order and then the order number here. And then you can make changes to the default email body. So I can also, right now it says, hi, customer name, please find the attached sales order for number blank. And this actually it's going to fetch the order number of that sales order that you're sending. So I can say something like the total amount of this order is, and I can go to placeholders here and I can select total amount, and it's going to fetch this right here means it's going to fetch the total amount of this order. And I can also do something like it will be shipped on, and I can select something like date to be shipped. And so these placeholders are automatically going to be fetched from the order. And so these will be with respect to the order. And I can also make more changes to the signature here. I could add my own sales rep name. I can format the text however I want. I can insert pictures, so I can create a custom signature if necessarily. And you can see I can make these changes as per module. So I can change it for credit memo if that's what I deal with a lot. I can change it for bill. I can change it for PO. And once the changes are made, just go ahead, click save, click OK. And these changes are now saved for this user, the user that I'm logged in as. And so now every time I send an email of a sales order, by default, it's going to have this template in place. And then I can go ahead and make changes. So that's how you make changes to your default email template.